I'm Steve from Clover FPV Systems, and today we are testing out the future of RC sport. Balloon pop, FPV Car versus FPV Drone. Can you pop the balloon? Clover FPV Systems is a flight line sponsor of Castle Crash 2026. And Dave from Fly High FPV took that even further. He sees the vision and the future of FPV like I do, and is letting us build a dedicated FPV RC course at Castle Crash 5 Cinco de Playa. But what's with the balloons? Every year at Castle Crash there is a balloon pop related event, and this is gonna be what it is for this year. We're gonna attach balloons to an FPV RC car, put on the goggles, and control the drone and the RC car from first person view. The car is gonna take off like it's just been spanked by a rodeo clown, and the drone is gonna track it down and try and pop that balloon. We got Shoot FPV representing the Northern Flow crew on the Lonely because I arranged an entire testing event for this 2 weeks ago, and when we got here we realized that our method of using string to tie the balloon to the car was not going to work. Nobody wanted to fly their drone at a string and then get tangled up and dragged behind an RC car. So shouts out to Donut and Greg who came all the way out that day and are not going to be in this video. But we still love you guys and you're here in spirit. We're about to put a bunch of drones, a bunch of props, a bunch of cars, and a bunch of balloons at risk. So if you haven't subscribed and hit a like, do so now. And comment below if you think you can pop the balloon. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna drive the car first and Tony's gonna fly his quad after it, and we're gonna figure out if this is possible. He bought a Guinea 3.5, so I brought him all of his stuff to the meet today, including the new shoes that you can use to run Fly High LEDs all around the edge of your quad and protect them. Tony's already flying a Guinea 3.5. He just needs another one. Frames are competitively priced and made at my house in the US. I'm seriously an idiot for having the prices this low, so buy them now. We're gonna start off really slow and with just one balloon, just to make sure that this is possible before anything. We got Clover cage there, we got Clover cage here, let's get it. All right, here I go, going first. Am I going too fast? Oh, my balloon came off. Go back, balloon. Got it. Okay, let's try this again. It's actually so scary. Oh, you got me. It's actually so scary. Oh, you got me. Dude, nice one. Did that feel easy or hard or?
I didn't see that hard. No.
Sick. Okay, so maybe I can go a little faster, huh? You took my whole balloon off. We're gonna re-balloon and up the difficulty and try that again. I think I'll just go a little faster this time.
Okay.
We have FPV, we can go far. All right, a little harder this time. 3, 2, 1, go. Ah! Oh no, I lost the balloon again! Okay, quick fix, I'm gonna add some tape. Haha, you missed. We're doing half speed. Oh! Oh! That's how it's done. Well, that was really cool because I saw everything. What do we change for this time?
You'll probably go faster.
Let's just try it again, this time with full speed. 3, 2, 1. I'm full throttle. This is as fast as I can go through this grass. He can't get me.
8 volts, 8 volts, 8 volts.
I'm going around this goal.
Telemetry lost.
And I'm coming back.
Oh!
Oh, that was so cool. Watching you come straight at me was so awesome. Coming back. Oh! Oh my God, dude, that was so fun. Whoa, you completely shattered the stick. That's gonna look cool in slow-mo. Okay, so we discovered with that last one, it's super fun as the car to watch that drone come straight at you. So we're gonna do that again. All right, I'm rounding the goal and coming back. Come at me, bro. I'm so scared. Oh! Come at me, bro. I'm so scared. Oh! You were, the balloon covered you. I like didn't even see you until the balloon was gone. And I'm rounding the goal
8 volts.
and coming back. Bring it on. Whoa! I'm rounding this goal and turning around again. Oh, that's so cool, dude. Is it easier or harder to pop the balloon when it's coming at you?
I don't know if it really matters, but you have less, probably a little.
Oh, was that you? Dude, nice.
Probably a little harder because you have less time, right?
All right, well, this has gone amazingly. We have a new world champion at Balloon Pop. This is so fun. I really want to try it, so we're gonna bind up my car to Tony's goggles and I'm gonna fly the 5-inch quad. I have the camera extender on my Lucky 5 to make all of my props out of view, but for this, we want props in view, so I'm just gonna take that off real quick. Let's do this, I'm so excited. Go, go, go. Oh, it's so fun. Okay, I'm gonna mess with you a little bit. Oh, a little harder than I thought it was gonna be. Woo! 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 And he's back. Let's put another balloon on there. All right, where are you? Whoa! Oh, I bounced off the ground.
Still up?
Yeah, I'm still up. Man, I came in fast. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Ah!
I drove straight at you.
When I can't predict your path, it's really hard. Oh my God. Yeah! Yeah! Got it! Oh man, that is good stuff. That is good stuff. Okay, so when you're driving defensively, it's really hard to hit
I
you.
was
Like,
like wiggling a little bit.
I was like, okay, make it look challenging, make it look. Oh my God, I can't hit it.
The wind. Every once in a while, I noticed the wind was like really flopping around too.
Oh man, yeah, that is so fun. People are gonna have so much fun. If you haven't bought your tickets yet, go to castlecrash.org right now and buy tickets for Castle Crash 5, Cinco de Flyo, where we're gonna have balloon pop and an FPV RC race course and an FPV RC flight line all to ourselves. Bring your cars and we'll add FPV to them with the FPV Everything starter kit. It's gonna be a great time. You guys come out. What do you think, Tony?
Awesome. Blast.
FPV Everything. Thanks to the sponsors, HDRC, HeliDirect, Fly High FPV, and Castle Crash 2025. This is just the beginning, you guys. If you can appreciate what we're doing here, subscribe and hit a like and leave a comment below. We didn't have time to do the Mario Kart thing today.
Oh, the pop.
Car versus car.
Did that have like a popper on you?
Yeah,
Sharp
you get
stick.
yeah, you get a sharp stick or something. See you guys at Castle Crash.